So today I'm going to show you a quick way to be able to add USA Made products to your Distributor Central website. We've also created a graphics bundle for you to be able to use for your website, as well as if you want a website that's USA Made only products, we created a new template that already has the collections loaded and the graphics loaded to make it even easier. So first thing I'm going to show you real quick is how to create the collections to add to your existing Distributor Central website. First, let's go and get the graphics bundle. You're going to go to distributorcentral.com, go to resources, and then graphics for your website. And here you'll download those graphics, and then it'll be a zip file. You'll unzip them. And then those will be ready for once we get to the website editor part. So when you're logged into Distributor Central, you're going to go to Websites, Hosting Manager. You'll click Manage next to the website that you're wanting to add those collections to. Click Manage again. If I wanted this website to only show USA products and no other products but those manufactured in USA, I could add a global filter here. Choose Country Manufacturer, United States. And any of these other product collections that are on my website, it's going to automatically add the global filter, so it'll only have the USA Made products. If you want to keep other products but just maybe have a link on your website that goes to USA Made, then you would not want to do it in the global, and you would do it within down here in the product collection. So in this case, I'm going to add a product collection. Name it USA Made. I'll hit Add Filter. Country and Manufacturer, United States, Save. So there are 47,230 products in our database that are made in the USA. So you could publish that if you want to preview to see what happens when you create a collection. Before you publish it, you hit Preview. USA Made. And it's going to pull in the product search results for all USA Made products. I'm going to go back to my collections and so if I want to make some collections that go with some of the graphics that we have in that bundle, I'll pull those up real quick. This here is some USA Made balloons that are from Pioneer Balloons. So if I wanted to add that to my website, I could go Add Collection, USA Balloons, Add Filter. I choose Supplier, Pioneer, Save, and then I'm going to add the filter for USA. So there are 21 products from Pioneer Balloon that are USA. I'm going to publish that. Let's go back here. So another graphic is for masks that are made in the USA. I'll hit Add Collection, USA Masks, I'm going to add a filter, Country of Manufacture, United States. I'm going to add a filter, and I'm going to do keyword. I'm going to put in mask. And so then I can preview that. USA mask. And here are all the masks that are manufactured in the United States, or mask accessories even would pull in on that. Maybe I was at the USA Made in the USA promo show, and there were some suppliers on there that had some masks that I know are made in the United States, and I only want their mask to show up. I could even add a filter by supplier, and I could put that supplier's name in and filter out by those certain suppliers. The other thing too is if you wanted to create a PromoShow USA products, I could add a filter by the suppliers that I seen at the promo show and also by their United States products. So I'm going to add that filter for United States, and then I'm going to do supplier. So I know Tervis is there. I've seen their booth. A-State. Americana Company. Warwick Publishing. Pioneer Balloon Company. You could go to that page at the promo show for the Made in America virtual show, and it tells you all the suppliers that are there, and you could go through that list and you can add them here if you wanted to only highlight products from those companies. I could save that. Another thing we have here, let's see, that's just a generic Made in the USA. We have a USA Made PPE. So we could go to Add Collection, PPE, USA PPE. Add filter, country manufacturer, United States, save. And then to get the PPE products to pull in, we've actually created a internal COVID-19 collection. So if you go to the DC Curated themes and choose COVID-19, that will pull all of those COVID-19 products that were made in the USA. If you wanted, you could even create your own product set of PPE by using a product list. So let's see, let's search sanitizer. And then now I only want to see Made in USA sanitizer. So I'm going to go down country manufacturer in the search, and I'm going to hit United States. And now I can see those products. I'm going to add them to a list. First, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit Add New List. And I'm going to type USA PPE products. And so now I can start creating my own custom set of products. If I wanted masks, it helps if I spell it right. It's gonna, if I type it up here, it's gonna always keep that filter here. So I'm gonna add a couple of those to my list. Maybe a gown. And so now once you create that product set that you're wanting to use for that, and you have all your products in here, you hit Add to Website and you name it PPE, USA PPE. You choose the website you want to send it to, hit Add to Website, and it's going to automatically put that collection in there. say I visited Tervis's booth and I really liked their drinkware. I'll do that. We also have a graphic created. See, we've got our travel products. We've got a generic made USA Made gifts, and then so we've got this highlighting Tervis's USA products as part of our graphic bundle. So I'm going to go in here. I typed in Tervis, and then now I'm going to go and choose the USA products. I'm going to add those. Actually, let's see. I've already created this list before. I'll go and pull it up. Tervis USA. Oh, that's not it. I'll just start a new one. Okay, I'll add those. Now I'm going to add it to my website. Okay, so now when I go back to the hosting manager, I'll click manage next to my site, and then I'll go to my product collections and I'll hit manage. And so now you'll see the USA PPE and the USA Tervis has been added as a collection, and it's also already been added to my website. So I can hit preview, and I can see those. Okay, so now we've got our collections created, and we want to actually add those as links to the in your website. So I'm going to go back into the USA Collection Hosting Manager. I'm going to click Edit. So now I'm going to go into Library Images, and I'm going to upload that graphics bundle. So you would hit upload. I've actually already uploaded them, but you'll hit select files. You'll locate those files. You'll select them. You'll hit open. They're going to load in here. You'll hit done, and then they're going to show up in your library here. Another thing I want to do is I want to go to Library Links, and I want to hit Add All Collections as links. So all those collections I created, it's automatically adding them as a link that I can use for these graphics that we're going to use. So now I want to switch out these carousel images. I'm going to double click here. You can change different settings of how long it takes, how the animation works. So I'll click on that image there. So on slide 1, I'll click the image, and select the balloon one. Then I'm going to hit pick link, and I'm going to go down to USA Balloons, and it's going to link to that. We'll go here, and we'll do Made in USA Products. I'll go to pick link. And this one, we'll use USA Made, so it'll pull all those products. And then we'll add another one. We'll do the mask one. I'm going to hit pick link. And let's see. Where is that sucker? Did we forget to make that one? Another way you can also do this is you could go to pick link, and you can hit add new link. and do USA masks. Hit generate search link. I can choose USA Made as my collection and then type in mask. And I can test that link and it's going to show me what pulls up. I like those results, so I'm going to hit generate link, save new link, and then now I'll go and choose USA masks for that. So now I've added some graphics to my website that have to do with Made in USA, but maybe I want to do a drop down for USA Made products in my nav bar, or in this case, it's a link bar on this template. You're going to double click on it, and then you'll do add a drop down group and do Made in USA. Then you would hit add link. And now if you've created those collections already, you could use those in your link, or you can always hit add new link. So maybe you want USA hats. Hit generate link. We'll choose the USA Made collection, apparel, caps, and hats, and then your category would be hats. You can test it to see if that's what you want. Hit generate link. Then maybe we want USA Made pins. You can hit add new link, USA pins, generate a search link. You're always going to want to choose the USA Made collection. I'm going to choose writing instrument, and then my category is going to be pins. You can also use keyword searches if you'd rather do a keyword rather than using the categories, but you can create all the different categories to add into there based off any collection. So you always choose that, and then you can choose any of our master categories, and it's going to pull the products that the suppliers have put in those categories that are USA Made. And so now to add those in there, I would go in here and I would USA hats. It's going to automatically put it at the bottom. You just drag and drop it into that group that you created. You can even move the group somewhere else if you want it by dragging and dropping there. But you'll just keep adding those links until you get all the links that you would want that have to do with the USA Made products. And then you'll hit done, save. I don't think I got that one moved up into the, yeah, I gotta move that up into that group. Okay, done, save, live preview. And so now I have the Made in USA dropdown, and you can add as many different categories as you want. Whatever you name that is what's going to show up there, so you can always go and edit that within your link library. You can edit what those are. So that is a kind of a quick and easy way to get those USA Made products on your website. If you wanted to create a website that is just USA products, we've actually already created a template for you. So if you go to Websites, Hosting Manager, and click Add New Website, there's the Made in USA template. I'm going to hit Use this template. I'm going to select my logo. I'm just going to choose a logo file that's on my computer. I'm going to hit Just One More Step, create my website. You can view your site. And so it's already got all of those banners, and they're already linked to those product sets. We've already created the collections for you, and this would only have USA Made products. So let's go back in here, and if you go to add products to your site, it's going to take you to the collections manager, and you can see here that what I did is I added that global filter for United States as the country of manufacture. And so then it applied it to all these other collections that I created. We also already took all the suppliers that are listing with us that are on the Made in USA promo show. We've created a collection. If you wanted to just highlight them on your site, you can easily create products, links and stuff based off of that catalog, PromoShow Made in USA. And then we've also got the PPE products, but you can always add more collections if you decide you wanted this to have all products. You could remove the global filter and just add that filter within these other collections that you only want the USA products. It's completely customizable. You can add, you can subtract. You have complete customization on what product collections you put on your website. I hope y'all enjoyed today. I hope you learned something. If you get stuck or you have any trouble, you can always go down to the very bottom when you're logged into Distributor Central, and it's got our support line as well as our support email. Our support team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.